Dad came over and made one of my favorite veggie dishes. This is shrimp paste Chinese, not watercress, but water spinach. Some people call it Ong Choy, some people call it Ong Choy. Lots of different ways to say it, but it's delicious. It's crunchy, and with the shrimp paste, oh, it's so yummy. Look at that.
보이죠?
어이, 야,